guys, ito yung mga kailangan natin. Sweet corn, onion, garlic, ayan. And then frozen spinach, and 2 eggs, and chicken nor cubes. Ayan. Ayan yung frozen spinach natin. Oh, Emborg, baka naman. Baka naman. Ayan. Sea salt, albadia, baka naman. Black pepper and fish sauce or patis. Yan. Simulan na natin mga guys. Mamaya chop muna tayo. So guys, yan na yun natin for natin. Isang tinanggalan ko na ng buto, tsaka isang may buto. Then onion, garlic. Gigisa natin yung small, yung mince. Tapos yung slice pang ano ko na yun, pang huli. Yan yung frozen spinach natin, tsaka egg and chicken stock. So ayan na siya. So yan na siya. Chicken, onion, garlic, spinach, egg and chicken stock. Yan po yung gamit natin. Yan. Homer, baka naman. Guys, yan yung gagamitin natin is corn oil. Cataract. Made in Qatar po yan. Enriched with vitamins A, D, E. Cataract, baka naman. Satay lang natin siya. Then pag nag-white na siya ng konti, lagyan na yung color niya. Then lagyan na natin yung garlic. Kaya mag-aroma yung garlic natin. Nag-aaral muna siya. Tignan natin yung chicken. Pantay lang natin siya hanggang ma-half cook. Then nalagyan natin siya ng fish sauce later. Medyo nalagay ko lang siya. At least late lagyan natin siya ng fish sauce. Kung dati po siya. Some people don't like this fish sauce because of the smell, but believe me, it will give a very nice taste in your dish. It will give a umami flavor on it. Disregard the smell. Just let it absorb the fish sauce, and then we're gonna add the corn later. You can only smell this, guys, especially the fish sauce. So the chicken is half cooked already, so we're gonna add the corn. This corn is made in Qatar. It's a fresh corn. I really know my wife bought this food. Some people, they don't eat chicken fat. So if we're going to use this, make this recipe, just remove the chicken skin. Next is the black pepper. I don't have the holder, so I'm gonna turn up first. We have the black pepper already. Now we're gonna put our sea salt. Albaladia. Baka naman. Just saute this one. Hindi pa natin we're not yet adding water because we need this corn, fish sauce, pepper, salt to suit inside the chicken. Tama ba? Parang mabasahin na yun. Para masip-sip siya. Yung sip-sip. Like that. Lagyan natin siya ng water. It's at least 4 cups. Or it depends on you. If you want more soup, no problem also. Just add some salt later for the taste. So let us wait for this one and let it simmer for like 15 to 20 minutes first, and that's the time we're gonna add the spinach and the egg. Chicken stock. Yan. Tapos tanggalin lang natin yung bubbles. Just remove these scums. Yan, hindi ko makita kasi yung holder. So guys, it's already cooked. I'm gonna add the egg right now. Okay. One more. Just gonna break the egg. And more spinach. So guys, yan na siya. Spinach and corn. So yan guys, that's the texture of it. If you want to upgrade this one to make it more creamier, you can also add some milk. Either fresh milk or rainbow, the other one, evaporated. If you have this also, it's good also in this. Just get a tablespoon of it, this oyster chili garlic, and mix it with your soup. But my kids are not eating spicy food, so I'll just put this one separate. I have the recipe also on the link below. It's chili garlic. Yes, ito na. Can make just plain as this one, or if you want creamier, you can add this one, rainbow. Oops. So it will be a creamier soup. Let's see. Sarap nito. If you can already smell this. Hiram mo na yan. Basta pag namoy nyo na. See? So we're done. Done guys. Ito na siya. And then we're gonna add also some crispy garlic. So just crush this one. Wala, you're done. So guys, yun na yung finished product natin. I'm just gonna add some. This chili is for your own preference. Depends on you. I like it a little spicy, so I'm just gonna put this some. You can also use the oil. So guys, this is our finished product.